microbial spoilage of canned food is generally of four types. Which of the following is a type of microbial spoilage of canned food? Flat sore and TA spoilage. Which of the following is a type of microbial spoilage of canned foods? Putrefaction and hydrogen swell. Flat sore spoilage chiefly occurs in low acid food. Flat sore spoilage is chiefly caused by Bacillus species. TA spoilage is chiefly caused by Pediococcus species. Peracetic acid as a sterilant used in aseptic packaging is produced by oxidation of acetic acid by hydrogen peroxide. The way in which packaging materials can react to microwaves are transition of the radiation, absorption of the radiation, and reflection of the radiation. The first commercial use of suspectors was done by modern foods for bread. The low oxygen MAP system is unsuitable for red meat because of discoloration of meat. Use of high oxygen MAP is not widespread for prolonged storage of meat because it results in off odors and rancidity in meals. A patent for a method of treating food by microwave energy was filed by Dr. Percy Spencer. The cooked flavor is due to SH bond. The amount of browning is increased with increase in total solids. The amount of browning is increased with increase in pH. The amount of browning is increased with increase in storage temperature. The amount of browning increased with increased in oxygen. The amount of browning is increased with increase in reducing sugar. Maillard reaction or Maillard browning in condensed milk is due to amino sugar. The viscosity of condensed milk increases with lowering of the pH. The flavor of the condensed milk is chiefly due to milk fat. A stable milk has alcohol index of 7. Alcohol alizarin test is used for heat stability of milk. The ratio of fat to SNF for milk for condensed milk has been specified to be 1:2.44. The Bohm hydrometer is used for density test. Condensed milk undergoes a two-step homogenization. The two mechanisms by which microwave produce heat in food are dipole rotation and ionic polarization. The major problem in the use of saturated steam in aseptic packaging are use of pressure in order to reach high temperature for sterilization and formation of condensate which remains in the container and dilute the product. In case of aseptic packaging, dry heat in the form of hot air is used because of high temperature can be reached at atmospheric pressure. Indicator organism used in testing of packaging material sterilization by hydrogen peroxide and heat is Bacillus stereothermophilus. Storage of food under reduced pressure is called hypobaric storage. Which of the following can be used for increasing the shelf life of citrus fruits? Polyolefin. Cryovac is a method of preservation at low temperature. PVA stands for polyvinyl alcohol. Polystyrene is used for acidic food. SWAMA stands for SWAMA, Standard Weight and Measure Act. Packaging material for coffee, tea, and confectionery goods contain paper or aluminum, low density polyethylene. Microbial store. The SPC of milk has been specified as NMT 2 into 10 raised to 5. Commercially, vitamin D in milk can be enhanced through irradiation, fortification, and feed. Alcohol test for raw milk is used to find out its stability during heating of milk. Developed acidity in milk is due to the occurrence of lactic acid. Souring and gasiness in milk is due to E. coli. The process used in aseptic packaging with hydrogen peroxide are dipping in hydrogen peroxide, spraying of hydrogen peroxide, and rinsing with hydrogen peroxide. According to ISI, maximum limit for fat in commercial lactose is 2.5. According to ISI, maximum limit for nitrogen in commercial lactose is 0.05. The first commercial aseptic filling plant was bought by Dole Company. Aseptic packaging can be defined as the filling of a commercial sterile product into sterile containers under aseptic condition and hermetically sealing of the container. The chemicals used in aseptic packaging of food are hydrogen peroxide, peracetic acid, and ethylene oxide. Fresh milk is slightly acidic. Which of the following is the highest in milk? Lactose. Which of the following casein is highest in milk? Alpha casein. Carotene reaches the maximum level when green feed is in plenty. White ratio in milk is 13:9:2. Ash content in USP grade of lactose is 0.03. Acidity as lactic acid in USP grade of lactose is 0.04. Lipid content in USP grade of lactose is 0.01. According to ISI, maximum limit for total ash in commercial lactose is 1.5. BHA content in ghee should not be more than 0.02. Which one of the following is the correct sequence of the given plastic materials in packaging in increasing order of their oxygen property. PP, PET, PVDC and EVOH. EVOH stands for ethyl vinyl alcohol. Starch and starch-based products, enamel glue, hot melts, synthetic emulsions are common classes of packaging adhesives. The Meat Food Product Order was promulgated in 1973. Cross-linking of polymer is a means of reducing the level of crystallization and consequently to get a polymer with a lower hardness and yield strength. A lamination process, a means of binding two or more webs together and binding them with an adhesive or by heating. Which one of the following is a milk concentrate? Kulfi. Gheer is also known as Basundi. Kova is also known as Mava. Moisture content of gheer is about 67%. Fat content of gheer is about 8%. Protein content of gheer is about 6%. Dap type gova is used for making gulab jamun. Danedar type of gova is used for making kalaganat. Moisture content of gova prepared from cow milk is 25%. Craft process of chemical pulping is an alkaline process. Sulfide process of pulping is a chemical process. Aluminium foil used in food packaging are essentially impermeable to water vapor. The first aseptic packaging of food was carried out by Nielsen. Agmark was promulgated in 1937. Ash content in edible grade of lactose is 0.2. Acidity in edible grade of lactose is 0.06. Lipid content in edible grade of lactose is 0.1. Lactose content in USP grade of lactose is 98.85. According to ISI, minimum limit for lactose in commercial lactose is 90%. According to ISI, maximum limit for specific rotation in commercial lactose is 52%. According to ISI, maximum limit for lead in commercial lactose is 2.5 ppm. According to ISI, maximum limit for arsenic in commercial lactose is 1 ppm. Which of the following is a cultured milk product? Yogurt, kefir, cow mess. Answer is all. Which of the following is a cultured milk product? kishak, and cultured buttermilk. Which of the following is formed during fermentation of milk? Carbon dioxide, acetic acid, and diacetyl. Yogurt is a acidified and coagulated type of milk product. Which of the following is similar to yogurt? Yogurt and Lebanon. Moisture content in USP grade of lactose is 0.1. Protein content in USP grade of lactose is 0.01.